What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna have a 1 week cold start on my 2024 Harley Davidson nightster. And for those of you that been asking, yes, it still has the O'Reilly exhaust tip, so it's gonna sound deeper and louder. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave a like and subscribe and support the channel so we can do more content like this. As always, let's get it.